Hey, I'm John with ScopeStack. Let me show you how to make the most out of our Firewall statement of work template. Check it out. Here's me, and here's my client. They need a firewall and a few other things for a new office move. Thanks so much for your time. We're super excited to get to work here. Why don't you start by telling me a little bit about what you need help with? Yeah, so we just opened a new office, and we want to make sure our communication and traffic is secure. We also want to make sure our team is secure when they're working remote. And there are probably things I'm not even thinking about too. What do you think? Okay, great. We can definitely help. Can you start by telling me a few things like, what is your bandwidth? I'd really like to talk to you about segmentation. And we really do recommend securing all your traffic for multiple locations, both in-office and remote, to keep you safe. Does that sound good? Yeah, so right now we have gigabit internet and a 200 meg circuit between our two locations. So one other quick question, do you use any cloud services? This will really affect the way we set up your firewall. Oh yeah, we use Google's G Suite for pretty much everything. Thanks again for your time. I'm gonna send you an estimate right now. Let me know if you have any questions there. So this client needed a firewall installed, but we needed to answer a few more questions before we could get them a statement of work. With ScopeStack, you can track all these conversations in real time and actually get a statement of work over to the client before the meeting even ends. You can download a free copy of this template at scopestack.io.